our maths test.
I do. Okay, so I'm just writing some questions. Are you able to hear me properly? Because see, I'm connecting mic also. Give me.
Yeah. We can hear you properly. Ma'am? Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay, now is it okay?
Yeah, now is it okay?
Okay, great. Okay, so I'm just starting. Hold on. Which of the following number are divisible by 2, 4 or 8? I'm writing the number, you need to check it. And every one of you give me answer on the chat box. Okay,
Is there
so are
any
you ready?
we'll do first?
Speak again, Manan.
Is there any bonus marks?
Yeah, bonus marks for the speed. So let's say how to solve this. You write the number and then say whichever, like 2, 4, 8. If all the three are divisible, you write 2, 4, 8.
Ma'am, I have sent both.
Okay. Samarth, I should say, Samarth, read the question properly.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
first one I have resent the answer, and second one I have checked it is the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, Manan's?
I'm just checking.
Ma'am, join.
Okay, Tanmay, look at this question which is on the screen. So Samarth and Manan answer is correct. Hirday,
Ma'am, who got the bonus point?
I think it is a tie. You both got the bonus.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Manan and Samarth both got the bonus.
Ma'am, can I test
Okay, ma'am.
how to do the question?
No,
Is the divisibility rule?
no, you need to send me second answer, Samarth.
Ma'am, I have sent both. Ma'am, I have resent the first one, but the second
Ma'am,
one.
the second one is divisible by.
Okay, Samarth, great. You got bonus.
Ma'am, the second one is divisible by this 3.
Just send me the answer on the chat box, Tanmay. And Manan, one answer is wrong.
Ma'am, which one?
I will discuss. I'm just giving you marks. You can write it in your copy. For first question, you got 2 marks. And for second question, for first question, you got 3 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
And for second question, you got.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
ma'am, can you repeat my marks?
For first question, you got 3 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
For second one, you got 2 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my marks?
Your marks is 3 and 3, that is 6.
Hirday, please send in the personal chat. Then we can also see.
By mistake. Ma'am, I did not get the bonus, or did I?
Hirday, your first question carry 2 marks. Actually, you did not get bonus. Okay, Samarth, Bonus marks awarded to Manan and Samarth. 2 bonus marks.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Tanmay, are you ready with the answers? Samarth, you have raised your hand. What is the reason?
Ma'am, you always say that we should raise our hand if we want to answer the question.
Yeah. Great for reminding. Great, Manan. I'm waiting for Hirday's answer. Yeah, Hirday, I got it. So for second question, Hirday, you got 3 marks. So you have 5 marks with you.
Ma'am, Manan got 5 marks.
Manan also got 5. Mother, you got
I
bonus
will
also
revise all
7.
3 chapters.
7. हाँ बोलो बेटा तन्मय.
And when will revise all 3 chapters.
This we are revising it.
And we are revising divisibility rule that it is coming in a test.
Do you understand, Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so discuss now. I cannot afford to give you more time. So let's discuss the answer. Samarth, you
Please
discuss question number 1.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the divisibility rule of 2 is that the unit digit number should be even, so it is divisible by 2. And ma'am, fourth divisibility rule is that the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So ma'am, 4 is divisible by 4, so it would be also divisible by 4. And ma'am, for 8, it should be that the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, but they are not, so it would not be divisible by 8.
Excellent, Samarth. Good explanation.
Ma'am, Manan can ask a doubt in the second part.
Yeah, just a minute, Manan. Let me finish with the question first because I want to explain it to Hirday. Hirday, why you have written that this first number is not divisible by 4?
I think the 0. No, I think the 0 will also be a number.
Okay, so 04 means, Hirday, 04 means 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so got the understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss the question number 2. Manan, you want to ask something?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, how did I got deducted my marks in the second part?
Okay, I will discuss. Don't worry. So,
Ma'am,
okay,
can I also tell second part?
yeah, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second part is only divisible by 2 because the unit digit is divisible by 2. And 4 cannot divide 14, so it is not divisible by 4. And 8 cannot divide 14, so it is not divisible by 4. And ma'am, I'm not taking 0 because 8 divided by 0 is 0 only.
Okay, just hold on, Samar. So, firstly, we need to check for the unit place. So, at unit place, you are having 4. So, that means it is divisible by 2. For,
Ma'am,
yes, Manan.
ma'am, but it is 4 is also divisible by 4, so it is not.
Just a minute. For 4, we need to observe last 2 digits. Last 2
Yes,
digits.
ma'am, I only checked the 1st digit in the first part because there was 0 in the second digit. While in here there is 1.
Yeah, so we need to check for 14. So 14 is not divisible by 4 And for 8, you need to check 3 digits, 0, 1, 4. So 0, 1, 4 is basically 14. So 14 is again not divisible by 8. So this digit is only divisible by 2. So should we move to the next question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to send in the chat answer, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I missed yesterday's class. What was done in that class?
We have completed divisibility rule.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I have done that in my school only.
Okay, so in place of star, you have to place some digit so that the number is divisible by 3, and that star should be smallest digit. So give me two answer when star is replaced by smallest digit and when star in the B part replace star by greatest digit, so that number is divisible by 3.
Manan sent the answer.
Okay, Manan, I'm just looking at it.
I must send it you. 4 marks.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Manan, your answer is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Samarth, your answer is correct. Hirday, your answer is incorrect.
Is there also bonus points in this question?
Yes, and Samarth, second part is also correct. So Samarth, you got 5 points as bonus and 4 points for actual.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Manan, I received your one answer.
ma'am, where is the second part? I didn't understand.
Second part is you have to replace.
Manan, in second part, we have to replace star by the greatest digit that can be written if we want that number to be divisible by 3.
Okay. Ma'am, what if there is two number answers?
It should be only one digit. Not possible to take 2 digits.
Okay, ma'am.
If the second one is also incorrect for you, both answers are incorrect.
Is Manan correct, please?
Manan, both answers are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Excellent. So
Ma'am, first I didn't saw the second part. That's why I didn't give you the answer of second.
great, great. So can you help me in explaining these two parts?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, in the first part, we have to replace the star by the smallest digit. So a number that is, so we have to add all the number, and if the sum should be divisible by 3. So first we will add all the number, and the answer will come 19. And these are nearest nearest number in the threes table is 21. So the answer would be 2. So if we add 2 into 19, 2 plus 19, so the answer will come 21.
Excellent explanation. So Hirday and Tanmay, are you able to follow what Manan had?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Manan, can you speak for the second part also?
Yeah, ma'am. We have to replace the star by the greatest digit. The same method. So the greatest digit in 3-digit number. So the digit will come one digit only. So it is 27. In 27. if we add 8 in 19, it will come 27, and there is the largest one digit number is in.
Excellent. So see, he has given you one trick. If you have understood what Manan is saying that we are allowed to take only one digit. So which can be greatest? So like if I take 9 is the greatest digit, so 19 plus 9 will make 28, which is not divisible by 3. So he has taken 8, then 19 plus 8 is 27, which is divisible by 3.
Now I didn't understand the method.
Okay, so you
Can
need,
I tell, ma'am?
Confusing.
Ma'am,
yeah.
the divisibility rule of 3 is that if we add all the digits, it should be divisible by 3. So if we add 4 plus 6, it would be 10, and 7 plus 2, it would be 19, and 9, the nearest multiple of 3, which is near to 19, is 21. So we have to add 2. And if we have to make greatest, then we have to see the we have to see uh,
the
we have
greatest
to
digit.
add we have to add the first we would take the greatest one digit number, then check it, and it would come something that if it is not divisible, and if it is one more than the number which is divisible, we would subtract 1 from it.
Okay, Tanmay, have you understood what Samarth is saying?
Otherwise, हमें क्या problem?
You have not understood? Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am, understood. We have to take the largest digit.
Correct. So largest digit is 9. So if you take 9, then it becomes 28, which is not a multiple, divisible by 3. So we have to take 27, which is divisible by 3.
Ma'am, is this type of question can come in our exams?
Yeah. Check 93573 is divisible by 6.
Ma'am, this is a question only?
Yeah, that is only question. I need a speed.
Ma'am, Manans have sent you the answer.
Excellent, Manan.
Ma'am, Samit, I have said.
Ma'am, do I got the bonus marks in this?
Yeah, definitely Manan's speed is more. Samarth, you are also correct. Very good.
Ma'am, I was checking my camera setting.
Okay, no problem. I understand.
Ma'am, because I am not getting the start video option.
Why you want to start video? Okay, so let us check. If I need to check that a number is
Ma'am?
divisible.
Can I tell how?
Ma'am, Manan?
Manan.
Oh, yeah, ma'am. If we have to check the the number is divisible by 6. So first we have to check that if it is divisible by 2 and 3. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then the answer will, then the digit will be divisible by 6.
Excellent. So you are saying it correct. We have to check for both. Divisibility for 6 means we need to check for divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 3. So you can see.
And we can easily tell the answer because the unit digit is not divisible by 2. It should be an even 2, be divisible by 2.
Correct. So it is 3 here, which is odd number. So you can directly say, no, it is not divisible by 6. Hirday and Tanmay, are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. If a number We have to check divisibility rule of 6 by if the number is divisible by 2 and 3.
You are correct. Very good, Tanmay. So let's proceed to the next. Check divisibility by 11.
Manan sent the answer.
Ma'am, Samrit sent.
Ma'am, Manan sent the answer.
Okay,
got it.
so let me check. Both of you have sent the same answer. Let me check.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Just I'm checking that only. Hold on.
Okay.
No, that is incorrect for both of you. So you need to add the alternate.
Ma'am, can I tell the divisibility rule?
Hold on, Samarth. Let me explain and you tell where you went wrong. Okay, so like if I take the alternate digits, you can see 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So you are getting the sum as 17. When you add the other alternate digits, you are
Ma'am, the 17.
17. 17 minus 17 is how
0.
much? 0. So
So,
you,
ma'am, it is, I think it is
yes, it is
divisible.
divisible by 11. So where you went wrong, Samarth and
Ma'am, I thought that it was 17 minus 16.
okay. So
No, ma'am, I thought I did 17 minus 17 only. My mind does not click that time. That's why I forgot that 0 is all divisible by all.
yeah, if 0 or multiple of 11, then we say that it is divisible by 11.
Yeah. Ma'am, next question, please.
Okay. So should we close divisibility rule? Should I hope that you all understand Hirday?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tanmay?
I have just a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the divisibility rule of 7?
Okay. So divisibility rule of 7 is not required in your normal classes. That is being given in your competitive classes. So it will not be asked in your normal classes. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you want, but because they are having limited time for revision, so I'm not giving you divisibility rule today, maybe in next week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the doubts which are having test tomorrow? Is there any specific doubt, Tanmay, Hirday and Manan?
No, ma'am, I don't have doubt. I just want to have revision for today, and after I will recheck my all the work in the night. So
Great,
I
great.
just want revision.
What about Hirday?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what about Tanmay? Is there a specific doubt or should we move to the next topic?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you repeat? My network issue? Your voice was breaking.
No problem. I'm saying, do you have any doubt? Tanmay, should I repeat again?
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt you do have in any specific topic? I can clear it up if you have. Yes, Tanmay. Okay, so can we proceed to the next?
Ma'am, I have doubted
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो तन्मय, किसमें doubt है?
whole numbers.
Okay, so let's move to whole numbers and revise everything. Okay, एक बार सारा कुछ revise कर लेना. Do you agree with this? We need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
revise
Yes,
everything.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do we note all the questions?
Yeah, I can just put the recording for you. So you need
You
to
can note also.
yeah, please solve this.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this?
Determine the product.
Ma'am, I have doubt in this type of question.
No problem. That you need to remember one thing I used to tell you.
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
Excellent, Samar. That is correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
But you have put, I can see
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I'll tell you.
one additional zero.
Yes, ma'am. I was that, ma'am, we have to add 10,000.
Multiply.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 625 into 16 is 10,000. I wrote it in hurry. So
Correct.
I have that doubt on. Meaning
Correct.
I was worried about that only.
Correct, correct. You are correct. Excellent, I should say. So,
Ma'am, the answer will be 10,000.
so what you should remember here, 625 into 16 value is 10,000. So now final answer is 437, 4 zeros.
Yes, ma'am. I did it like that only. But I have remembered 625 into 16 is 10,000. So it was easy.
So let's move to the next.
Ma'am, I'm noting it just one second.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, now we can.
Okay, so try second part, which is written on the screen. So Manan, this is whole number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I send you the answer.
Okay, Samar.
Ma'am, Manan also sent you the answer. Ma'am, you got Manan's?
Ma'am, you got Hannah?
Excellent, both of you. Samar, I did not get the last step. Final
Ma'am,
answer.
I send you it.
Final answer. I got
This
it.
ma'am, final answer also.
Acha, to fir that is wrong.
Ma'am, is there bonus marks in this also?
So no, this is just practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell if you did not get
309 into 7 into 2 into
no,
4,
no, I sent
25.
the answer of the last two digits that I have sent you in the chat. I can
Again,
resend it.
so see what I have done. 8 I have converted into 2 into 4.
Ma'am, I have not done like this.
So 7 2s is 14. 25 into 4.
Ma'am, I have resent it to you.
It is correct, Samar.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Manan
I
have
will
done like
correct
this. Is it correct? 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 56 into 25 the answer and into 309.
Ma'am, I have done by another method. First, I have done 25 into 8, which is 200. And ma'am, 200 into 7, which is 1409. and ma'am 1400 into 309, which is 432600.
Excellent, both of you. It is
Ma'am,
correct.
both methods are correct.
All methods are correct. In fact, Samarth method is correct. Manan's method is correct. Mine method is correct. So you can adopt any method of your choice. Hirday.
Ma'am, I found this method easier.
Okay. Hirday, do you have any more method for doing this question? What do you say? Hirday, I cannot hear you.
We cannot also hear you there.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next sum. Find the value by suitable property.
Ma'am, I'm not that good at spelling, so I would not be able to write the name of property correctly.
Why?
Ma'am, I'm not good in spellings.
You should practice spellings, then you will
Yes,
become
ma'am, I practice.
okay. So try, every one of you.
Ma'am, we have to just name the property. Ma'am, we have to just name the property, right?
You have to find the value also.
Okay, the answer also and the property name also.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can Tanmay speak?
Yeah, Tanmay. Whenever you say that, can I speak? I am very more than happy. Yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, is Manan's
Ma'am,
property
I
name
am
is
telling.
correct?
Correct, Manan. Yes, Tanmay.
Ma'am, the property is distributive property.
Distributive property of multiplication.
Of multiplication over addition.
Correct.
First, we have to write 236,
Correct.
236.
Correct.
Then multiply sign and bracket.
Correct.
Then we have to write all these numbers 563, 236 and 23.
So see, first, Tanmay, you should write 414 plus 563 plus
Yes, ma'am.
23. Correct. Now do the addition and do tell me what you are getting.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
No, just I am giving this question to Tanmay. Let him answer. You send it on the chat box, Manan and Samar.
Ma'am, I'll send it.
Excellent, Samar. It is absolutely correct. No, some digit is missing. Now I can see.
Ma'am, mine.
Typing error. Just do it fast.
Ma'am, me.
Yeah, you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we plus this all,
Ma'am,
the
I'll
answer
resend.
will
Can you
be,
see?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see?
Harry, let Tanmay speak.
Yes, it is correct. Okay,
Okay,
Tanmay.
ma'am.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, if we plus this all, it will come 1000. 1000 multiplied by 236. Then 2,36,000.
Excellent, Tanmay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, Manan can try the next question.
Now I want Hirday to try.
Ma'am, ma'am, the meeting is ending.
Okay, so let me end it first and I will connect again.
Ma'am, is this meeting recorded?
Yeah.
Ma'am, please send the both recording of